Alright, welcome back to another episode, guys. Abdullah Kaplan here. So I have my kayak actually here. I'm a little early today, and I'm going after drum and trout today. And here's my cast net, guys. I see some small like school of bait fish right here. They're super tiny, and I brought my cast net here. Let's just see if we'll be able to catch a few of them, because I want to do actually some like popping cork fishing today. They're right here. I can see them. There are a lot of them actually, but let's see wherever they are the most. They're right there, but they're getting away. Well, they're going towards the oyster rocks, which I don't like them to go there at all, because they're right here. I should probably be able to get them. Oh, they scattered. They're definitely scattered. Did I get any at all? Nope. Oh yeah, there's one. I've got only one, guys. Come here, dude. I've got only one little guy. Let me cast one more time before they go away. They're right here. Holy cow. I was afraid of that oyster bed right here, and I didn't cast really too fast. Oh, there they are, guys. There are a million of them. Holy cow, come on. Did I get any? Yeah, I got a few. Nice. I got multiple actually. Oh, they're getting away. There you go. Nice. Just filled that bucket very quick with water. Awesome, we got them, guys. Yeah. I got more than actually that I was expecting that I'm going to catch. Here's one. Let's see. Alright, let me show you what we got here, guys. Look at that. We filled that thing with bait fish, literally. There are a ton of them. I mean, that should be good enough for us for a whole day. And yeah, let's get out there, guys. I don't want to spend too much time, so I just tied up my popping cork, guys, and we are here at our first spot. I caught some really nice trout actually on this area before, so I'm going to start with live bait and just see how it's gonna go. Then this spot, if it doesn't produce anything for us, we'll just go somewhere else. Right there by the eye socket. Oh, holy cow, there it is. There's a fish. Holy cow, it just came and smashed it. Wow, that's a nice trout, guys. Wow. There's a nice trout. I have to sit. I have to sit down. Wow, look at that trout. Nice trout, guys. Nice trout. Definitely keeper size trout. Look at that thing. Popping cork. Only popping cork. Come here, dude. Let me wet my hands. Ooh. Drag. Just pull and drag. Come here, dude. Come here, dude. I'm gonna let you go. Hold on. That line over myself. There you go. Awesome. First fish. First trout of the day, and that's a keeper, definitely. Absolutely a keeper. Alright, let me dehook him very quick. Awesome. It was easy hook removal as well. Beautiful fish, definitely. Oh, he's biting me. There you go, guys. First trout of today. That's definitely a keeper. Well, I'm not keeping fish today, so I'm gonna let him go right here. Whew. Woohoo! Hello! I see a lot of bait fish jumping all over everywhere, guys. That's a good sign. Oh wow. Oh, there it is. Holy cow. Did you guys see that swirl? There it is, guys. That's a good one. Wow. Did you guys see that swirl first? Second trout of today, guys. That's another keeper. Wow. All right. Awesome. Come here, dude. Come here, dude. That's another good one, guys. Woo-hoo. It's going nuts now. Ooh. Come here, dude. Come here, dude. Holy cow, second trout of the day. Awesome. Holy cow. There you go. Remove the hook very quick. There you go, guys. That's our second one. Awesome. They're super close, actually. They're almost same size. Alright, let's let them go, guys, right here. Woo! He's gone, actually. Awesome. Wow. Out there again. Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. Yep. Yep, we got him. Got him. Got him that time. Come here, dude. That's not a big one, actually. The one we lost was bigger. Come here, dude. Ooh, all right, that's a good one. It's not probably the same size as the first two we caught. Come here, dude. Maybe. Oh, that's a small red. That is a small baby red. Bait stealer, small baby red. Wow. Okay. Look at that. It's got a baby red on popping cork. Oh, come here, dude. Come here, dude. Scattering my bait all over everywhere. That's the smallest, tiniest red drum I ever caught. Look at that. Holy cow. All right, 2 trout and they're red. Good, dude. Just took right off. There it is. Yep, got him. Got him. Oh, came off. It did came off. Or that's it. Look at that trout. No way. Look at the size of that trout. Look at that. No way. That's incredible. Look at the size of that trout. Holy moly. Good, dude. Is that a fish on? Yep, there's a fish, guys. There's a fish. What is that? Trout? That's not a trout, guys. Is it trout? Is that a red? Kind of find it a little hard. That's a drum. That's a baby drum again. Come here, dude. I might just flip you in the butt. Come here. No way. No way. No way on the earth. Awesome. Holy cow. 2 drum. Wait, dude, wait. 2 drum. They're baby ones. Hopefully we'll catch a big one too. 2 drum and 2 speckled trout. Actually 3 speckled trout, but they baby one. All right, let's go, dude. Oh cow, I cannot believe that how beautiful today is. So many fish. So I cast it right here. Just cast it right here. You will get a fish. You don't have to cast too far out there at all. Drums, speckled trouts. Oh, there it is. Got him, guys. Got him. Got him. That's it. Wow, that's a good fish. Wow, that's a good drum, guys. That's a really nice drum. Oh no, came off? No, he's on. Come here, dude. Wow, look at the size of that thing. What is that? Trout? Wow, that's the biggest trout of today, guys. That's the biggest trout for today. Come here, dude. Come here. Fat trout. Really fat, nice trout. God. Such an awesome day. Cannot believe that. Better go get some more bait, definitely. Otherwise, that's definitely not gonna be good enough. Alright, let's let him go, guys. Fish cast after cast after cast. Like literally every single cast. We're catching fish. Look at the size of that trout, guys. That's the best one for today. Well, fourth trout of the day and 2 puppy drums. Alright, let's let him go. Hope you guys can see it. He took right off. Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. Wow. Holy cow. What is that? No, that is a fish, guys. That is a good fish. Am I recording? I better record that one. Yes. That is a good fish, guys. Whatever that is. Just go easy on him. Don't want to force on him. Could be another really nice drum. Heavy, guys. That's really heavy. Here's our popping cork. Is that a drum? Wow! Is that a nice drum or trout? What is that? That is huge. What is that? No, come here, dude. Come here. That's a nice red, guys. Nice red. That's a nice red on popping cork. Holy cow. Alright, come here, dude. Come here. Where's my fish grapplers? Awesome. Holy cow, I cannot believe today. Come here, dude. Awesome. Holy cow. I cannot believe it. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Big drums, little drums, puppy, well, speckled trout, like everything. Literally, like little, like tiny bit of everything. Wow. Glad actually I brought the popping cork with me. Alright, let's let him go very quick. Wait, dude. Here you go. That de-hooker works really well, by the way, guys. Alright. Let's see how big you are, dude. Look at that. That is an awesome red. Got one spot right here and another spot right there. Alright, we're gonna let him go, guys. We're gonna let him go. Alright. Ooh, took right up.